trade ongoing. I'm gonna pass. Okay, the trade has pulled through. I'll wait for another time to run another trade. Okay, that's my second trade. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm gonna pause and be right back when it's done. Okay, I've won my second trade. That's it took more time, so I'll be back for another one. Okay, that's another trade ongoing. We'll be back when it's okay. The trade is done, and I've already made my profit. So altogether, that's about roughly close to like 30%. Okay, let me show you today's profit, right? Today I've done four trades. That's one, two, three, and four. So four, and I've made $3. That means target it. Now you would see, you observe that I'm trading with $8, and $3 is like is more of like 40% or more of like more than 40% actually. So I've made like $3 with this. So this is me gradually making this profit. This is today's profit eat. Okay. I believe I've done video for yesterday, day before yesterday. Probably after this week, by next week, I'm not gonna be able to be doing videos anymore. I would want to concentrate more on my trading. So guys, it's possible, slow, steady, you'll be able to do all this trade and be profitable. Now I've made $3 from $8. So it's just very simple. It's just like, let's say I have $100 capital. If I'm making $3 every day for 15 days, I would have made 45%. That's how it is. But you also have to have the factor of losses and all that inside, errors and whatever. So you'll still be able to make substantial profit. God bless you. See you in another video.